we are into housing industry for the last 20 years, and we have delivered projects around 25 projects in Navi Mumbai and Hyderabad. We have also given away more than 10 lakh square foot of homes and offices to various buyers. We have around 1,500 buyers who have taken flats from us. So ISO 9001-2008 company, and doing in this industry for the last 20 years. See, we are very, very happy, extremely happy that we have completed 20 years of our business. Basically, in these 20 years, we have created a host of customers who are very, very loyal to us. We get loyal customers. The feedback from almost 30% of the customers are once again buying from us. So that's one very positive thing. So buyers and flat owners who are very satisfied, that is the most important thing that we have achieved, which is trust of our customers. Looking forward, we have a 352 flat project in Dronagiri coming up on a 3-acre plot, and we have another project there of 1 BHKs. So that is priced at 25 lakhs and above. So we have a range of 1 BHK at 25 lakhs, 2 BHK at 55 lakhs, and 3 BHK 75 lakhs. We also have certain plots in New Panvel and other areas where we'll be coming up with our project shortly. We are very sure that this exhibition will draw in a lot of crowds from of home seekers from far and wide, and we are definitely sure also that there will be a lot of inquiries generated, and maybe we'll get a few bookings, but that is out of buyers who have already come to us will want to buy from us over here, and especially because we are we have kept a scheme of giving away an iPhone 6 to all people who buy a 2 BHK or a 3 BHK from us in this exhibition. And plus we have launched our 20th year celebration today from this platform, and up to 31st December those buyers who will buy from us from today to 31st, there will be a draw in which we will have 3 lucky winners. We will get an i10 car each. So that is a very good offer which we are giving to all the buyers as a success of our 20 years.